I see that we have a big increase of shark sightings, which is really good because there was some time that it was really less sharks. There were really less sharks, but then they changed some laws, and that's a good thing to see how fast the reefs can get healthy again. And also some parts that the reefs disappear and that they come back after 3 years, like a full garden of table corals. The diving, for me, got better the last years. My name is Manuel, and I am half Maldivian and half Austrian. I grew up in Austria. I went there to school, and I was always happy because I could make my school holidays here in the Maldives, where I used to snorkel and dive at the dive center of my father. That time in Batala. That's where he also met my mother. She worked in the tourism sector at that time. Yeah, after some time the management changed. So he decided to go take a different step and start a liveaboard. He was one of the first people doing a liveaboard here. And after some time he decided to build his own boat, which is now here, the Kiana. The Maldives are my home, especially underwater, because I think the most pretty things for me are under the water. And I really dived some reefs more than 20 years, and I always get back to these places. And I used to go to the same parts of the reef almost every dive, and the parts, they feel like homes, just special areas in the reef. Especially in Maldives, the best diving you can get is definitely on a liveaboard, because you have huge distances between the dive sites, which you can't make on a land-based operation. You can imagine that you have like one land-based diving school, and they have like 2-3 good dive sites, or the best dive sites, and that's only what you dive with the liveaboard. You just get to one best dive site after another. So it's quite a big difference, and you're more flexible, especially when it comes to sea like manta rays. You can check both sides of the atoll. Sometimes they're on that side or on that side, or they're more on that other reef, so you can just go there and be flexible. Our dive style is not that strict. Usually we jump together, of course, but if people want to dive alone, they can do that. And we see as a guide if they can handle it, and they can do it. And that's what many people like, why they dive with us. They can be free if they want. It's not so strict. And also what many people see is that we understand how the marine life works, like where there's sharks, how to position yourself in the current, and how to jump exact point so that you don't have to paddle that much, and how to position a cameraman or camera woman to make a perfect shot for what they want to see. And I think we have a lot of experience, and that's why we say we have most probably the best diving in Maldives to offer here on the boat.